Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we have stripped out the Mini. We're going to go through the process in a sec. Leave a comment, let me know if you think it's good or bad, because I really don't know if this is a good Mini or a bad Mini. They're all going to be rotten, I know, at places, but should I be expecting more? Should I be happy with what we've got? Should I be, looking to just scrap the thing? Let me know how much you think it's going to cost to repair. Yeah, so keep watching, like and subscribe if you like the video, and let's get into it. Oh, it's already recording. Didn't even know that. Alright guys, welcome back to the Mini adventure. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be stripping out the interior so we can actually see how bad the welding is and get it prepped to go off to my mate to do the welding for it all. Had a look, the seats are a bit odd, aren't they? They're not very secure on the best of times. But it looks relatively simple to get them out. So let's get you set up. Right, so we're going to take the seats out. So I had a look, it looks like they're only held in by 2 at the front, maybe 12s or 13s. So we'll grab a ratchet, take them out. We've got a ratcheting spanner. What have we got? What is it? Right, so it's smaller than a 12. Okay. An 11. How annoying. They're such stupid sizes. An 11. Right, so let's tighten it up. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Interior bolts. So 1. And then number 2. These bolts look like they've been out once or twice before by the looks of the discoloration of the nuts in its life. How many miles have we got on this thing? 78, not bad. Concedes is that, is it? And we have a chair out, literally 2 bolts. Safe as houses, as they would say. Might as well take the back seat out as well, because it's already loose. I mean, the condition of the seats is actually not too bad. Mini, keep that. I don't know what that is. I mean that. It's all a bit. Oh, it's a failure sheet. Right. Now I'll climb in and I'll get the other 2 out. One. I'm looking forward to getting the Mini ready for welding. Missing a washer on that one. Alright, seat number 4, I presume. Come out this way. So, now we have done that. We can sort of look at taking the carpet up. Oh, we found a bit of the broken seat belt clip, which is good. Found the broken seat belt bit that we were looking for. There's a bit of broken front trim, a bit of rust. What's this do? Goes straight over that. That's good. Let's get these bits out. Pull this bit up here. Floor mat. Main floor mat. And then pop. That's how that comes out. Gosh, I wish new cars were as easy as this. What's that? Another one? Yeah, little popper there. Maybe they know they go rusty and they're going to need to be done. So they make them really easy to be removed, or they're just really cheap. Oh, just bent my nail back. Never mind. Alright. And there's the carpet. We can then shuck out to get it past the willy. And there we have a floor. And we've got a bit of bulkhead bit here, which we should probably take out too, bit of sound deadening, just so we can really see the trouble. There's a bit. There we go. Let's take up this bit of... Let's get you in. Should we get you in? Ooh. Right, so here we are now. We've stripped it all out. We've got a bit over in that corner over there, and then we've got a little bit in that corner over there, and there's another little bit in the boot. Oh, I found another bit. Looks like there's another bit just there as well. So, what we're going to do is, I'm going to take this bit up here. I'm going to give it a poke. I'm going to give it a quick poke. See how bad I can get it. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it doesn't look great. But it doesn't look too bad. Let's have a look. I've got some pokey sticks. Let's see how much we can poke. Right. It's not great. Obviously, you can't weld to rotten floor, so they're always going to have to take it back anyway. Like a good bit. Oh, oh. Another bit there. Oh. Another bit there. This looks really shit. I mean, this looks really bad. Doesn't even look like... Let's get you in. Let's get you in. This looks a little bit flaky here. I don't want to be poking too much, but no. I also want to get to a point where I know it can be done. Seems to stop about sort of here, so that's not a great bit. Seems to be inside though. Oh no. We definitely poked a bit through this outside too. Hello. But leave it in the comments, let me know if you've seen worse. Right, let's try the other side. Definitely not as bad. All this seems pretty solid. Not feeling too bad. Over here again, seems okay. But this is not too bad. Okay, it's got a bit worse. Yeah, got a little bit worse. Oh, it's right over a pipe, that one. Oh, that's not very good, is it? It's gone from being not too bad to being a bit rubbish. Oh. That's rubbery, doesn't it? Oh, that's a pain. So we've got the fuel pipes coming up from the tank. Right over one of the areas, just there. Oh, they're going to need to be disconnected. Just means more work. More work means more money. Not too bad. Right, 2 down. Right, so that's 2 down, we've got 1 to go. Okay, so here we have some of the issue. A bit there, a bit there. got a bit there. To say it runs. It's like the pipes run just there. It's a bit of a pain. Some there. Got a little bit there on the inside, and obviously that one there. A quick poke from here. Oh yeah, there it is. That's not too bad. Might not be too bad. Might have to get this off though. And it's pot riveted on, so I'll have to drill that off. Alright, there we go. That is the Mini. That's how rusty what we found. I'll let you know how we go when I take it up there and give you a price that he's given me. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned, and see you on the next one.